Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 29th April 2024. In this video I will teach you 10 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon. Question number 1. Which port will become India's first transshipment port? Answer is Vizhinjam Port. Adani Group's Vizhinjam Port in Kerala has received approval from the Shipping Ministry to operate as India's first transshipment port. This will be India's first full-fledged deep-water transshipment port. Transshipment ports are transit hubs where cargo from one ship is transferred to another on the way to its final destination. World's biggest transshipment ports are Singapore, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Busan and Hong Kong. Question number 2. Who has become the ambassador of ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024? Answer is Yuvraj Singh. International Cricket Council, ICC, has announced India's former cricketer Yuvraj Singh as the ambassador for ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024. Yuvraj Singh joins Chris Gayle and Usain Bolt as previously announced ambassadors. Yuvraj Singh hit 6 sixes in an over during India's successful Men's T20 World Cup 2007 campaign. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup will be played from June 1 to 29, 2024 will be jointly hosted by the United States and West Indies from 1 June 2024. Question number 3. Who has become the ambassador for the 2024 ICC Women's T20 World Cup qualifier? Answer is Sana Mir. The International Cricket Council, ICC, has announced the appointment of Pakistan cricket legend Sana Mir as the ambassador for the upcoming ICC Women's T20 World Cup qualifier. Mir, who represented Pakistan in 226 international games, with 137 of them as captain, will bring her invaluable experience to the event. The Women's T20 World Cup qualifier will witness 10 teams battling it out for 2 coveted spots at the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024 in Bangladesh. Question number 4. Which state is identified as the primary supplier of onions for export? Answer is Maharashtra. The government has allowed the export of 99,150 metric tons of onions to 6 neighboring countries, namely Bangladesh, UAE, Bhutan, Bahrain, Mauritius, and Sri Lanka. The National Cooperative Exports Limited, NCL, is responsible for exporting onions to 6 countries. Maharashtra, being the largest producer of onions in the country, is the primary supplier of onions sourced by NCL for export. Question number 5. Who was named the regional winner for the Middle East and North Africa at the Cambridge Dedicated Teacher Awards 2024? Answer is Gina Justice. Sharjah Girls Branch teacher Gina Justice has been named regional winner for the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, at the 2024 Cambridge Dedicated Teacher Awards. Gina Justice is an English high school teacher in Sharjah Girls Branch, UAE. She is originally from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. She working in the UAE since 2005. Question number 6. Where was the 6th Bima Manthan organized by the IRDAI? Answer is Hyderabad. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, organized the 6th edition of the Bima Manthan in Hyderabad on the 25th and 26th April 2024. Bima Manthan is a periodic meeting of the IRDAI with the top leadership of the insurance companies operating in India to discuss issues related to the insurance sector. The Bima Manthan was attended by Debasish Panda, the chairman of IRDAI, and other members of the regulatory body. Question number 7. Who has been appointed as the Executive Chairman of the Coromandel International? Answer is Arun Algappan. Coromandel International Limited, CIL, a leading provider of agri-solutions, has announced a significant leadership transition. Arun Algappan, the former Executive Vice Chairman, has been appointed and redesignated as the Executive Chairman of the company. The appointment of Arun Algappan follows the retirement of A. Vellin, the outgoing Chairman and Non-Executive Director of Coromandel International Ltd. Question number 8. Who has secured the Clarivate South Asia Innovation Award 2024? Answer is Matter. Matter, a prominent player in India's electric mobility and energy sector, secured the prestigious Clarivate South Asia Innovation Award 2024 in the automotive category, recognizing its contributions to innovation. With a robust portfolio of over 250 patent applications, including 25 grants and 76 publications, Matter demonstrates its commitment to pioneering advancements in thermal management, motor assembly, and energy storage solutions within the electric mobility landscape. Question number 9. World Veterinary Day is observed every year on. Answer is last Saturday of April. The World Veterinary Day, WVD, is observed every year on the last Saturday of April. This year, World Veterinary Day was celebrated on Saturday, 27 April 2024. The theme for World Veterinary Day 2024 is Veterinarians are Essential Health Workers. This day aims to raise awareness about the crucial role veterinarians play in maintaining the health and welfare of animals and humans alike. Question number 10. International Dance Day is observed every year on. Answer is 29th April. The International Dance Day is observed globally on 29th April every year. The day 29th April has been chosen as it marks the birth anniversary of Jean-Georges Nauvet, 1727 to 1810, who is known as the creator of modern ballet. The day was created in 1982 by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute, ITI, the main partner for the performing arts of UNESCO. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.